In which language would you like to take the oath?
In English, please.
I, Rinzin Lamur, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as my law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a member of the House, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. Thank you.
Tenzin Namkar, who stand elected from West Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. Miss, do you want to take the oath or affirmation?
Affirmation, please.
In which language would you like to take the affirmation?
In Hindi, please. तेंजिन नामकर, जो युवा संसद का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुई हूँ, सत्य निष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा लेती हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति श्रद्धा रखूंगी, देश की प्रभुसत्ता और एकता बनाए रखूंगी तथा जिस बात को मैं ग्रहण करने वाली हूँ उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगी। धन्यवाद।
Question number 1. Ms. Tenzin Somo, please.
Thank you, Madam President. Will the Minister of Culture be pleased to state whether the government has launched a week-long set of activities around the theme of India's 75th Independence Day or Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in India and its embassies abroad, including film shows, quizzes, dramas and skits, and launch of an e-book, Making of the Constitution and, if so, the details thereof and responses received and future action plan work.
For the question, Ms. Ujjain Lamo, please.
Thank you, Madam President. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of India's independence. It follows whole of government approach with special emphasis on involvement of citizens in the form of Janbhagidari, Indian missions, posts, abroad comments, Akam celebrations from 12 March 2021. The celebrations have started 75 weeks before 15 August 2022 and shall continue up to 15 August 2023. Missions posts have been organized. Thank you.
Question number 2. Ms. Rinzin Pagal, please.
धन्यवाद अध्यक्ष महोदय। सरकार को स्वतंत्रता संग्राम सेनानियों व शहीदों की विधवाओं को पेंशन नहीं मिलने की शिकायतें मिली है, यदि हाँ तो विवरण दें। धन्यवाद।
के बाद इसका वितरण बैंकों द्वारा किया जाता है। जहां तक वितरण ना होने का संबंध है, गृह मंत्रालय को बहुत कम शिकायतें प्राप्त होती है, जिन्हें बेहतर समाधान के लिए संबंधित बैंक के साथ तुरंत उठाया जाता है। धन्यवाद।